Hi friends, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will discuss about the IP rating. Your gadgets like mobile phone, your camera, your watch have this IP rating. If I'll talk about the big machineries like transformer, generator, motor, panel enclosure, isolators, engines, these all are having the IP rating. So the question comes in our mind that what is this IP rating and what it's indicate. So let us discuss in this video what is this IP rating and what it's actually indicating us. The letter IP stand for Ingress Protection or International Protection. It has two digits followed by the letter IP. For example, like IP68, IP67, IP55, IP54. First digit indicate the protection of our equipment from solid, and the second digit indicates the protection of our equipment against water or moisture. If your mobile having the IP rating is 68, here 6 is the first digit and 8 is the second digit. So 6 here indicating the protection of your mobile from the solid particles, and 8 here indicates the degree of protection of your mobile from the moisture or water. Greater is the digit, better is the protection. Let us refer here IP rating guidance. Here number 1 indicates the protection of your equipment from the solid of greater than 50 mm like your hand. The number 2 indicates the protection of your equipments from solid greater than 12.5 mm like your fingers or similar objects. Number 3 indicates here the protection of your equipment greater than 2.5 mm solid. Here number 4 indicates the protection of the equipment greater than 1 mm of solid. 5 indicates that your device restrict the dust, but even if the dust accumulate, it will not harm the performance of the device. 6 indicate that your device is dust tight. So if any electrical or electronic device have the first digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, then you can understand that your device is protected till what level for the solid. If your device having a first digit 0, it means it doesn't have any protection against solid. From this we can conclude that the first digit of the IP rating varies from 0 to 6. 0 is the no protection indication and 6 is the highest degree of protection against solid. Now let us discuss about the second digit of the IP rating. As I told you, the second digit of the IP rating indicates the degree of protection against water or moisture. If the second digit of the IP rating is 1, then it's indicate that your equipment is protected from dripping water. If the second digit of your IP rating is 2, then it's indicate that your equipment is protected from dripping water when the equipment is till 15 degree of angle. If the second digit of your IP rating is 3, then it indicates that your equipment is protected against spray of water up to 60 degree of angle. If the second digit of IP rating is 4, then it indicates that your equipment is protected from splashes of water from all direction. If the second digit of your IP rating is 5, then it indicates that your equipment is protected against lower pressure jet of water. And if the second digit of your IP rating is 6, then it indicates that your equipment is protected for high pressure jet of water. 7 indicates the protection of your equipment against immersion effect of water till 1 meter depth. The number 8 indicates the protection of your device from the submersion effect of water for prolonged time. If the second digit of the IP rating is 0, it means that that device doesn't have any protection against water. So the second digit of the IP rating will vary from 0 to 8. 0 indicates that there is no protection against water, and 8 indicates that device is totally watertight and has no effect of immersion or submersion. If your mobile having the IP rating 68, then that mobile is dust tight and watertight. So you can take your mobile in the swimming pool and you can shoot videos underwater till certain depth. The IP rating of any electrical and electronic equipment is very important, and it depends on the application of that equipment. If any electrical and electronic equipments have outdoor application, then that device should have the greater IP address to stand with the rainwater or the logging of water. For example, if any light is going to use under the swimming pool, then that light should have the greater IP rating. The rating should be minimum 6.7 or 6.8 to cancel the effect of submersion and immersion. If any CCTV camera installed outdoor, then its IP rating should be high. It should be minimum 5.5 or 5.6 or 6.5 or 6.6 to withstand with the sandstorm and to the rain. The distribution transformer in India are always open to sky, and if you find the IP rating of that transformer on his nameplate, then you find the IP rating is given as IP55. So that transformer is protected against dust as well as any high pressure jet of water, so that transformer easily withstand with the open condition with any sandstorm or any heavy rain. The whole point of this discussion is if our equipment have a risk to encounter dust or water, whether it is installed indoor or outdoor, we need to select that equipment with higher IP ratings. Here I want to highlight one more point. In many electronic devices, you will find IP rating as IPX7, IPX8. Here X indicate that test has been not performed for the solid, or it is not necessary to perform test for the solid. As it is a common sense, if any equipment restrict the water, even if it is submerged or immersed into the water, then there is no chances that dust particle will go inside the equipment. In that cases, some manufacturer avoiding the solid test and just conducting the liquid test. In that cases, you will find the IP rating as IPX7 or IPX8 because the solid test here is not required. Many of us have confusion that what will happen if I will dip my mobile in some alcohols or in soda or any other liquid other than water. I suggest you do not do this one because the test has been done only for the water. If you will dip your mobile in some soda or any wines, then it may malfunction or it get disordered. I will recommend you do not take your mobile in sea diving or in deep diving, even if your mobile having the IP rating 67 or 68. Because the sea water is salty water and the test has been performed for the sweet water. Even you do not take your mobile in the deep diving also because the test has been performed for 1 meter and some manufacturer is performing till 3 meters. Hope you like this video. We will meet in any other topic. Till then, take care, keep learning. Bye bye. Thank you so much.